An initial assessment of the appropriate activity mode is possible based on the user's medical history and safety needs. The first steps of the user should be evaluated in a safe environment, such as between parallel bars. In activity mode A, the knee joint is locked while walking and does not release to swing phase. Therefore, this mode is particularly suitable for users who exhibit poor voluntary prosthetic control with their residual limb and who cannot yet control an unlocked knee joint during swing phase. Basic features such as supported sitting down, standing up, and the wheelchair function are available in this mode.